We can also multiply polynomials of more than 2 terms, and I'm going to show you that today. So let's say we have 2x minus 7 times x squared plus 3x minus 1. So you can still use either method. I'll show you both of them. I think foiling can get a little bit more complicated. I think box helps us organize our numbers better, but it's up to you. So if I'm going to foil it, I'm going to bring the problem down. And instead of thinking first, outside, in, or last, we're going to kind of make a 3D claw. So I'm going to start with my 2x, and I'm going to distribute 2x to everything in the other parentheses. So 2x times x squared is 2x to the third. 2x times 3x is plus 6x squared. And 2x times negative 1 is minus 2x. Now, when I flip-flop to come down underneath, I'm actually going to write my like terms on top of each other as I multiply. So I have, now I'm going to distribute negative 7. So negative 7 times x squared would be minus 7x squared. Negative 7 times 3x would be minus 21x. And then negative 7 times 1 would be plus 7. And this lines up my like terms just so I don't have to look for them. So I can just add my like terms together. So I'm going to bring down my 2x to the third. 6 plus negative 7 would be minus 1x squared. Negative 2 minus 21 would be minus 23x. And then plus 7. Let's see if we get the same thing with the box method. So now for the box method, it's going to be a little bit different. So depending how you set up your box, make sure you have enough terms. So my first one is 2 terms. So I'm going to make 2 boxes on the top. My next one is 3 terms. So I'm going to make 3 boxes going down the side, which means my first parentheses on top. So I'm going to put those 2 terms. My second set of parentheses is going down the side. Now I'm going to multiply just like we did before to get inside of each box. So I have x squared times 2x, which would be 2x to the third. X squared times negative 7 would be negative 7x squared. 3x times 2x would be 6x. 3x times negative 7 would be negative 21x. Negative 1 times 2x would be negative 2x. And negative 1 times negative 7 is positive 7. Oh, 3x times 2x is 6x squared. All right, check your diagonals. These two are like terms, and these two are like terms. So I'm going to bring that 2x to the third out. I'm going to combine what I highlighted in yellow. So 6x plus negative 7x would be minus 1x squared. Now I'm going to combine what I highlighted in green. Negative 2 plus negative 21 is minus 23x. And then bring down that plus 7. And you can see that we got the same thing. So these methods work no matter how many terms you have. You can do 3 terms times 3 terms, 4 terms times 4 terms. Set up either FOIL or box method. Make sure you organize your like terms. Remember, you're multiplying to get inside the boxes. You're adding to combine.